We'll guide you through how to use Claude AI to make Excel spreadsheets. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin the process of using Claude AI to generate spreadsheets, start by launching the Google Chrome browser on your personal computer. Once the browser is fully open, click directly inside the search bar located at the very top of the browser window to get started with your task. You should type Claude download and press enter to search for the official Claude setup file online. From the search list, carefully click the link to the official Anthropic website to ensure you are downloading from a safe and correct source. Once the website successfully loads, click the large Download for Windows button to save the Claude installer file directly onto your local computer. After the download completes, navigate to your browser's download section and open the specific installer file to begin the installation process. Wait a brief moment while Claude completes its setup on your system. When the application opens for the first time, click the Get Started button to initiate the initial configuration. Select the Continue with Google option to sign in quickly and securely using your existing Google account credentials. From the list of saved Google accounts that appears on the screen, choose the specific one you wish to use with the Claude program. Click Continue to confirm your selected account and fully complete the sign-in process. When a small pop-up appears in your browser requesting to open the external app, click Open Claude to return directly to the main application. If any welcome screens or helpful navigation tips appear, simply skip or close them to proceed straight to your main user dashboard. Click Continue through the brief setup prompts in the chat area to get your workspace fully prepared for work. Maximize or enlarge the application window to make the screen spacious and easy to navigate effectively. Click on the Prompt tab and type your request to create an Excel file along with your specific spreadsheet topic. For example, type the query, "Can you make an Excel spreadsheet about investments?" Wait a moment for Claude to process your request and generate a helpful response. Your Excel spreadsheet is now ready for review. You may inspect each individual tab and also download the file to your personal computer.